Hello guys, it's Janelle Amoy here back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make these delicious, scrumptious, finger-licking fritters. Yes guys, these are one of my favorite little, breakfast foods. I love these and I'm pretty sure you will love it too. So do keep watching this video to see how I make these fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. And until then, do enjoy this video. Okay, so to make these fritters, you need a tomato, some scallion, and pepper. So here I have my seasonings all cut up, my tomatoes, my scallion, and my peppers. And we're gonna get some flour in a plate or a bowl, whatever you're using. So that's about a cup of flour. I'm adding some salt to the flour to add taste, and after the salt we're adding some turmeric powder. This gives the fritters flavor and a little bit of color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings that I cut up. So we're adding our tomatoes, and then we're adding our scallion and our onion that we had cut up. And that's all the dry ingredients that you need for this fritters. So after we have all that, we then pour some water in it. Next, we're just gonna stir this mixture with a spoon. So we're just mixing everything up together to ensure that, all the seasonings are evenly distributed in the mixture here. And you want to ensure that you properly mix out the flour so that when you fry your fritters, you don't have any bubbles or raw flour inside of it. So you just want to ensure that you properly mix out the flour. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so here we have our frying pan, and we've heated the pan and added some oil, some coconut oil inside of it. And so when the oil is hot, you want to do this when the oil is hot, we then go ahead and pour our mixture in the pot. And I'm just using a big spoon to help me with the size of my fritters. So 1 spoon give me 1 fritters. So you will know when to turn the fritters when you see that the edges have been fried. So you can see that we're ready to turn this fritter here, and that's what I'm doing. You can either use a spatula or a fork. I'm used to using the fork, so that's what I'm using. It works for me. So this one right here didn't want me to turn him, but guess what? You have to be turned. I want you fried. There we go. So we're just gonna cook the other side until it's brown, like this side here. And then we're done. And this is what they look like. And trust me guys, they are very delicious. For you vegans out there, this is nice. You should try it. You should really try it. Trust me. Look at them. Look at them. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.